How to fulfill orders with CJ Dropshipping step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through on how you can fulfill orders with CJ Dropshipping. So, if you're just starting out with your CJ Dropshipping store and you're wondering how to actually send out products to your customers, this video is for you. We'll go ahead and cover the account setup, order syncing, product sourcing, and how to process and fulfill orders using CJ Dropshipping with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. And so, the first thing that we have to talk about on what is CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is a global fulfillment service that helps dropshippers source, store, and ship products from suppliers, mostly based in China, but with warehouses in the US and Europe too. So, you can simply integrate it directly with your e-commerce store to automate product listing, order management, and shipping. So let's create a CJ Dropshipping account. You just want to head over to the CJ Dropshipping website and click on the register button. From here, you can simply sign up using a free account. You can then use your business email and set a strong password. Now, once inside, you will be able to be taken onto your dashboard right here. You can also sign up using your WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, Apple, and Shopify. Now, once inside your CJ Dropshipping dashboard, you then want to scroll down and navigate through the authorization page. From here, you can then go ahead and authorize CJ Dropshipping with Shopify, Temu, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, and more. In this video, we are going to be using one of the most popular options, which is going to be Shopify. So you just want to click on the Shopify option right here, or you can then open up the Shopify website onto your web browser right here. So let's just wait for the page to load in. And simply once inside your dashboard, you then want to click on the create your store right now. But in my case, since I already have my account on Shopify, I'm just going to log in using my account. And from here, you then want to click on the Add Apps button. Inside Add Apps, click on the Shopify App Store. And from here, we are then going to install CJ Dropshipping into our Shopify store right here. Now, it's going to be different for every platforms right here like Temu, WooCommerce, but once again, we are going to choose the most popular option, which is going to be Shopify. So from here, since we already have our Shopify account, let's just go ahead and head over to the Shopify App Store and search for the CJ Dropshipping. From here, you then want to click on the CJ Dropshipping option, click on the install button, and then we have to go ahead and authorize CJ Dropshipping into our Shopify store. Now, this is the first step in order to fulfill orders on your CJ Dropshipping. We are then going to go ahead and use Shopify right here as our website and CJ Dropshipping for our product. So just click on the install button. And simply right after that, you then want to click on the authorize button. Click on confirm, and then you want to click on the authorize once more. Right after authorizing CJ Dropshipping into your store right here, you then want to make sure that you are inside the correct Shopify store. So just click on the find products option. Inside find products, you then want to navigate through your Shopify store once more right here. And you want to make sure that you are inside the right Shopify store by checking out the code right here. In our case, it's going to be 8IFU3F. So let's navigate back to the CJ Dropshipping website. Go ahead and look for a product to sell. Let's go ahead and say that I want to sell this specific product right here as an example. Since this is only a tutorial, let's go ahead and select a random product. From here, the way that you can go ahead and add this to your Shopify store, it is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and read the description for the dropshipping, the wholesale, pre-inventory, and the customization. Now, after making sure that this product is the right for your business, you then want to click on the list option. Inside the list option, it will then take you to this pop-up stage or pop-up menu on which you can then go ahead and properly select your store. Once again, since our code is 8IFU3F11, you want to make sure that you select the right Shopify store right here. Right after that, you then have the product type, you have your title, collections, tags, and vendor. You also have the variant pricing, the images and videos for this specific product right here, and description. And so let's navigate back to the products right here and select another product that suits our e-commerce store. In our case, it's going to be Shopify. Now, in my case, I'm going to be focusing more on products like technology. So let's go ahead and find something like gaming tech or something like phones and accessories right here. Once again, you want to make sure that the product that you are selecting fits your e-commerce website. In our case, let's go ahead and select this one. It's going to be a wireless charger for our devices right here. From there, once again, just click on the list option. The menu will show up on which we can then go ahead and enter our Shopify store. From there, you can then go ahead and navigate through the variant pricing, and you want to make sure that all of this is correct. Now, in our case, it's going to be the RRP. There's going to be the CJ Dropshipping, the shipping fee, and the total drop shipping price. Now, you can simply go ahead and change this the way you want to. You can just navigate through the end of the section right here by scrolling to this bar. And right after that, you can now go ahead and put your custom pricing. So in our case, it's going to be $18. So I want to go ahead and make this product into something like $35 to go ahead and make a profit. And for this one, let's go ahead and put something like around $30. And simply right after customizing this the way you want to, you can just go ahead and click on the list now button. So let's just go ahead and do that. And right after, this page will now show up on which we have to go ahead and wait for the product to finish listing. Now, basically, we can then go ahead and fulfill orders using our store right here. This is going to be our online store. Now, after listing our product and after navigating back to our e-commerce website, we can then go ahead and see our listing right here. As you can see, we can now fulfill orders with this specific product, and we have this much inventory into the CJ Dropshipping. And when a customer navigates through our e-commerce store, it will then automatically drop ship the product right here to our Shopify store. So you can just go ahead and promote your e-commerce store, set up your payment method for Shopify right here, and you should be good to go. From there, you will be able to go ahead and fulfill orders to the CJ Dropshipping. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.